I just finished eating this cotton candy. But I don't want to throw this. Idea. So let's recycle it and create something useful. Let's make a piggy bank. Let's peel off the sticker. Now let's paint this with pink color. We have painted this. Now we will remove the cap and cut this. We will make the head with the help of a paper cup. Let's paint this. It's fully painted. Let's cut this part. Let's assemble this. Stick the ears, the nose, the legs, and now let's stick the hands. Oh, I'm very hungry. Okay, let me give you some food. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. And we can also remove the coins like this. And I hope you like our piggy bank. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Goodbye. See you until next time.